Every platform digitally generally now has an analytics component.
Okay.
This is Expert Perspective by Martin Gawbach Company. It's daily, so subscribe if you like it. We're not scared of you, so comment if you have something to say. We like you. Are you a liker? Like this episode if you like it and you're a liker.
Welcome.
Analytics. So analytics is just taking the data and putting it in statistical stories where you can tell, for example, Google Analytics will tell you a lot of stuff about the people, where they're visiting from. It'll even tell you what kind of phone they're using, what kind of web browser they're using on their computer. So analytics is pre-made statistical charts, numbers, percentages that tell you what people are doing. How you use the analytical data goes back to actual data synthesis and figuring out what business decision you should make next. But every platform digitally generally now has an analytics component. Facebook ad platform, Instagram ad platform, it has analytics built into it. It'll tell you stuff, and it's up to you or your marketer to decide what's the next play with those analytics, or do we do the same thing with them? Google Analytics will tell you what your people are doing on this page of your website, this page of your website. Do we need to improve this page or all the pages? Do all the pages link together correctly? Analytics tells you what is happening so you can figure out what to do.
Martin's glued coins onto snail mail brochures and manage $250,000 marketing budgets for small businesses. From citrus sellers to surgery centers. He pulls no punches on our website or any of our content when bragging about how to do what we do well. Follow, like, subscribe, or do whatever, wherever you want. We have a podcast, Alexa Flash Briefings, Facebook, TikTok, and all that. And if you decide to partner with us, you know you'll get to relax since we've got that 100% 5-star review and success rate over all the years we've been around. What are you saying there? Martin's glued coins in a snail mail brochure? What does that mean?